Hello, Kristen here. Today I'm showing you the look I made with my previous video, the collab I did with Fatally Flawed Ash. I had no idea what I was doing. If you are new here, hey, I'm sick with the Corona crap. Yes. Anyway, so I chose the Glamlite ice cream palette because I'm so sick I forgot which collab we were doing. So I had originally grabbed this palette anyway, so I figure I'm still going to use it to do my makeup. And I was kind of envisioning, I guess, something fun, carnival looking, I don't know. I'm new to playing Dungeons and Dragons, but my husband got me into playing some of his previous games, and the one right now is actually going to be quite a long game, and he convinced me to play Bard. So I was thinking, okay, well, you know, what sort of fun stuff would my Bard wear? So that's what I was just going for something fun, something different, something I haven't done before. I believe that I was inspired off a video off of Instagram, but I don't remember the name of the person who inspired me, so sorry. I also, apparently I was so gone the day I recorded this, I thought I recorded an intro and an outro, but it's not on my camera, so this is what you get. But yeah, you know, if you're a returning viewer, one of my subscribers, you know I love you and you know I'm sick, so I'm pretty sure you'll be okay with that. We have just a little over a month left of daily uploads, which I'm so excited for. The year is almost done. I can't believe that I've done almost a year. I can't believe that 2022 is going to be here. That's absolutely bonkers. But yeah, so I'm just using makeup I already had. This is that Lumos pen from LA Splash that I just really enjoy using for the black eyeliner and for this sparkly topper, which I ended up using as kind of like a graphic liner. And I also did this thing I've been doing, the inner corner, except not going on the upper part of my lid, just the lower. It seems to work so much better, and I'm so glad I saw that tip from another hooded-eyed YouTuber. But yeah, it's pretty basic. I just used matte colors, and then I topped it with some of the sparkly shades from the palette. And yeah, it's pretty basic. I liked how it came out. I was sad to take it off, but I'll probably definitely try this again. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to be back at you tomorrow next year. And thank you so much for watching, and I love you all. Fuck Corona. I will talk to you later. Bye.